Hey there, friend. Today, we're checking out the Phenyx Pro PTU-X wireless transmitter and receiver system. A powerful little setup that instantly transforms your favorite XLR dynamic or condenser microphone into a wireless rig. Setup is seamless, the performance is rock solid, and at just $99 USD, it delivers a level of versatility that most creators, streamers, and performers can really appreciate. Let's unbox it, test it, and see why this system might be the perfect solution if you're ready to cut the cord without compromising audio quality. Thank you so much, Phenyx Pro, for sending over this PTU-X plug-on UHF wireless transmitter receiver system. This is going to allow you to take your wired microphone and go wireless and go anywhere. Now, I've got with me my trusty PM26S, and we're going to give this one a go. We're going to connect it. We're going to find out what this is really all about, how it works. We're going to talk about the features of the microphone. I'm going to test it out, slide it out of here. Just like that. Okay, very thoughtful packaging. We've got a little bit of foam in there to keep things safe. Ooh, nice little sticker. Once again, I do enjoy getting the stickers. This one's in nice condition, which is good. Ooh, cute little carrying case. No big deal. Just a little drawstring pouch. And we've got the instruction user manual here. In here, some kind of cable. I think we have two cables. Let's just check and see what's included here. Oh, it's like a split cable. Okay. So on one end, we've got regular USB, and that goes out into dual USB-C. We've got the main star of the show inside here, the PTU-X. It's kind of crinkly bag. Wow. What a cool looking device here. You can already start to see some of the features of the device. Got the plug in here, which I think, of course, is pretty straightforward. Going to plug into the microphone, just like that. There we go, no big deal. And then this is the receiver, or I guess this is the receiver, and the other one is the transmitter. Maybe I have it the other way around. You can correct me. But this is going to plug into your audio interface to receive the signal. So this is pretty cool. It's supposed to have quite a lot of battery life. I think it's like 7 hours of battery life. They do make a few claims here on the box. Reliable UHF performance, dynamic 16-channel flexibility, crystal clear sound fidelity, 48-volt phantom power, which means I might be able to use my other mic for a test as well. Flexible mic line gain control, the locking knob, oh that's good, it's not going to fall off while you're using it. And yeah, 7 hours of battery life. I don't know if the quadrilateral prism shape is so much of a feature as just, design choice, but all in all, fits nicely in the hand. Doesn't seem like it'll add too much bulk to the setup. So we'll check it out. We'll see how it works. Okay, so my first impression of the shape of this device didn't really seem to have anything to do with the build quality of the setup. But as you can see, this cool little dynamic microphone is going to roll around on the desk, right? But when we plug it in, you will see right away. Okay, so first of all, we've got the locking. So that's going to prevent it from falling out while you're in the middle of an interview, a presentation, some sort of a setup. But now it's securely connected. So if you put it down, it's not going to roll away on you. So very thoughtful, very, very cool. And the design of this cable, which I don't know if it's proprietary or not, I doubt it, but it allows you to charge both devices simultaneously, which is, of course, very, very thoughtful, very, very cool. And you'll need to use, one USB to plug it in and charge it. However, both the transmitter and the receiver both seem to have power right out of the box. So we're going to hold down the power button here. As you can see, turns it on. That 9 indicates it's on channel 9. And this one as well. And they're going to pair. A little red light comes on here right away, and that's going to mean that we should be able to use them right away. Now with this dynamic microphone, we don't need to turn on the 48-volt power. And in fact, it's recommended not to do so because there is a chance that you could damage the microphone by sending unnecessary power into it. So keep that in mind. If you have a condenser microphone, then you're most likely going to need that. But do check the manual of your microphone to make sure that you're not causing any kind of problem. As well, this microphone has an on-off switch, so we want to make sure that everything is powered up and ready to go. Now I'm going to connect this into my audio interface. For me, that's like a desktop computer Wave XLR, but if you have like, a PA system or some sort of setup like that, you're just going to want to go ahead and connect this. And the next thing I'm going to do, we're going to test and see if we can get the microphone working. All right, and then just quickly here, plugging in the receiver. As you can see, it's got that XLR port. We just should be able to plug it in here. Just like that, simple setup, no big deal. And obviously I'm going to unmute to make sure that we should be able to get a signal from the computer. Yep, this is the first test of the PTU-X, and this feels amazing because now, for the first time ever, I can use an XLR microphone here in the studio or anywhere that you've got, your regular XLR connection on your PA system. And I feel already there's so many opportunities for me to change my content, to get a different shot. I can work around with a nice, high-quality microphone in different scenarios. I haven't even heard it yet. I just hope it sounds as good as it feels to use. I could see myself doing, some kind of a microphone interview, or if you're singing or doing some kind of a presentation. This is an incredible tool at a very affordable cost to get you set up and not be connected with that pesky XLR wire, which is fine at a stationary setup. But if you're trying to be creative, to work on something a little bigger, a little bolder, a little better, this Phenyx Pro product is absolutely awesome, and I hope it sounds as great as it feels to use. All right, and for the sake of completeness, this is my typical broadcast microphone that I've had for quite a while. This is the Shure SM7DB, and I did have to turn on the 48-volt additional power, or the, I don't know what they call it, the extra gain or what have you, but I just wanted to test it out for the sake of compatibility because I know this is a popular microphone and, it's something that I'm familiar with and I'm used to using. I did just have a listen back to the PM26 and wow, what a great sound that we're getting out of that as well. So this one here, yeah, 26S. So this is my regular, and I'm just amazed to be able to use it wirelessly. I can see the waveform going up and down on the computer, and it's so simple. It's just plug and play. You just plug the little adapter in and just turn it on, turn it off. And of course, that little screw-on connection also works. It's compatible with this mic as well. So whatever your XLR setup is, this should be the wireless solution for you. I think Phenyx Pro, they've got great products, but again, you may have existing products and you just want a wireless solution. This is going to be interchangeable and compatible. And I mean, look at this. It's so cool. It actually gives me something nicer to hold on to. And this is going to be a great solution for so many people in so many situations. So, there you have it. The Phenyx Pro PTU-X wireless system gives you the freedom of wireless with the quality and reliability of a wired XLR connection. For just $99, I think it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make to expand your audio setup. What do you think? Would you go wireless for your studio or live setup? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, thank you so much for watching.